Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious steak and shrimp chow mein. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have some chow mein egg noodles, but feel free to use any noodles of your choice. I have some top round steak, thinly sliced and washed, and I'll be using some large shrimp, some shredded carrots, shredded cabbage, sugar snap peas. I have garlic, ginger, some onions, scallion. For the sauces, I have soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some Japanese barbecue sauce. Japanese barbecue sauce is my secret ingredient. This is what it looks like, but if you can't find this, you can use house sauce and about 1 tablespoon of sugar. So to marinate my steak, I added the same 3 sauces I mentioned before, as well as some cornstarch, black pepper, and some bicarb soda or baking soda. I mix that really well to combine and set it aside. To marinate the shrimp, I added some black pepper, Japanese barbecue sauce, and some oyster sauce. Mix that to combine and set it aside. Now we'll create a sauce for our noodles using some cornstarch and the same 3 sauces I mentioned before. You want to mix that to combine and set aside. Now we'll go ahead and boil our noodles for 10 minutes. You don't want to overcook this. Once you add the noodles to the pot and it starts boiling, you wait until it's boiling to count down the 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is up, you want to drain the noodles, run some cool water over, and just set aside. Now to my hot steaming wok, you want to add the beef and you want to allow it to cook for about 4 minutes or so, flipping it occasionally, just making sure it's cooked evenly on all sides. Once the beef is fully cooked, remove and set aside. Next, we will follow up with our shrimp. Add the shrimp to the same wok and allow the shrimp to cook for about 2 minutes or so, 1 minute per side. Once the shrimp is fully cooked, remove and set aside. The same wok, I will add some sesame oil. Then I will go in with my aromatics. You want to give those a good stir and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Now in with my sugar snap peas. Since that one takes the longest to cook, we'll cook these for about 2 minutes and then we'll follow up with our cabbage and carrots. Give those a good stir, allow to go for about a minute or so. You still want your veggies to be nice and crunchy. So after which we will add a little black pepper and then we will go in with our chow mein noodles. You want to add that sauce, give it a little toss, make sure it's nicely coated and the sauce thickens a little bit, and then we will add our shrimp and beef back into the pot. Give that a toss as well, and then we will add our fresh green onions. Now I was getting a tough time to store this because the chow mein noodles were so heavy, so I had to go in with 2 spoons and I tossed it really well, and this is the end results, guys. The chow mein is amazing, delicious, and you will definitely enjoy this one. Now let me plate it up and show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my version of an excellent steak and shrimp chow mein. Better than any takeout. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.